All right, so I'm going to test this out one last time before I put everything, where it's actually going to be. This will obviously be hooked up to the battery. For the test here, I'm just using another battery there. The blue remote wire is actually, I'm just fuse tapping it into the fuse box. That's my plan. Because of the location here with the sub just right next to it, just seems so much easier to me than having to run like the wire I don't know where up into the pulse bar, I guess. So that was a plan, but the fuse tap just seems easier. I've got it actually going into the winch. Let me see here if you can see this. On the right side of the screen, the winch fuse, because it's got space. The accessory fuse does not have any space there for a fuse tap. It's just the way it worked. And I don't have a winch right now. I'm not utilizing that. And that thing turns on and off with the ignition, so it works. I'll go ahead and test this out real quick just to make sure the sub will power on, because I did just put all these connections together with these butt connectors. Let's see, try to show you real quick. So let's see if that light turns on there, then we're good. And we're not good. Let me figure this out. I think this battery might actually be dead. That could be a problem. All right, actually that battery's apparently good. So that's not the problem. So now let me figure out what is the problem. One of these wires must not be connected. Give me a sec. All right, so I have a feeling it was just this remote wire not being fully connected. I've just got it sitting in there right now because I need to trim this wire down anyway. Let's give it a shot. If light turns on, that means we're good. We're cooked. What is going on? All right, so I think the battery right there is dead, and that was the problem. What I ended up doing was actually hooking everything up to one of these pulse bar connections, and then it started to work again. So just to test it again, I went and hooked up the positive and negative to the battery, and like I said, I got the fuse tap there, and I tested it out and it worked. So I think we're all set. I'll go ahead and test it again. If the light comes on, we're good, and it's on, so we're good. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and just figure out this wiring, cut down some of these wires, get it all finalized, and then maybe make some videos to showcase the sound. Let's do that.